I don't know. There's something about the Indus River because I think this is the closest, sort of a sort of a collective. I mean, for the whole this whole region, this mother that we have, Mother Nature, that is represented by the Indus. It gave us life. If there was no Indus, we wouldn't be here. तो वो जो एक अट्रैक्शन है दरिया के साथ वो बहुत टाइम से डेवलप हो रही थी एंड आई डोंट नो आई थिंक ऑफ इट लाइक दिस कि एक दरिया जो है मुझे एक औरत की शक्ल में नजर आया, बहुत खूबसूरत औरत, और एंड आई फेल इन लव विद हर। और फिर अब जो भी कुछ लिखता हूँ वो एक उसी औरत के लिए लिखता हूँ जो who the one that I love. So it's everything is for her. So I put a lot of myself in this film, which most people won't even know कि exactly कौन सी चीजें हैं जो मेरे साथ भी हुई हैं या कुछ मैंने देखी हैं. So it's my the stories that I've heard from people, stories that I've experienced myself, and the stories that are told by the people that I admire. All of them came together to sort of through this filter of mine, and in this form. I don't know. I think there's something that poetry can do that no other form of art can do, which is access and tap into that unconscious level of like my mind and the feelings, and merge them together. That's something that I don't know any other art form can do that for me. So through poetry and through these feelings and through these new doors that open up, I think I'm able to say much better, even better than I would think in my conscious mind कि मुझे ये कहना है, लेकिन वो मुझे पता भी नहीं होगा, लेकिन वो poetry कह देगी. So I think Salman Jafro's words do that for us. The title is one of the first things that came to my mind. जब मैं फिल्म सोच रहा था, तो I had this one phrase. It was just like 4 words which said conversations of a river. And then from that, the film started, and I was like, what do I call it? And then the conversations and echoes, and I don't know, all of these things just, it took a while and then it came together. And the word that came to my mind, the phrase was Indus Echoes. And from that, I translated it into Sindhi. हालांकि पूरी फिल्म सिंधी से इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट हुई है, लेकिन टाइटल जो है वो इंग्लिश से सिंधी में ट्रांसलेट हुआ है.